Hello everyone, myself Uday Datrak. I am planning to teach 100 plus unique web application security issues in just 20 hours. You don't need to have any basic skills guys. I am going to cover end to end all the security issues in a web application guys. I have already uploaded around 50 plus videos guys. I will be uploading around 100 more. You're gonna learn everything in just 20 hours and all types of security issues. Watch from lesson 0 guys, otherwise you will understand the lessons but will not be creative. Now let's focus on cookie related issues guys. Cookie HTTP only not set. You have to check these security issues only for the web applications which have the login feature. Let's say if you have got a web application for security testing and if it doesn't have the login page feature, then you don't have to check for any of the cookie related security issues guys. So what is this issue? HTTP only not set. What does it mean? So whenever you enter username and passwords in the web application, after click on the submit button, the server generates the session ID, right? At that time it will set one more word like HTTP only along with the session ID guys. So that is to protect your application from the cross-site scripting attacks. Let's say your application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting, then attacker can execute like document.cookie script to read the session ID. But if HTTP only is set, then the external JavaScript like script alert document.cookie cannot read the session ID. So what happens if they try to read the session ID? It will be a blank pop-up. He cannot see the session ID. We'll see them both now guys. Now first, in order to check this issue, first what we need to do, you have to go to a login page. Yes. Then you have to clear the history. Make sure that cookies are check marked. Now for our convenience purpose, we are going to clear all the burp history too. Enter the correct username and password guys. If you have entered the wrong username and password, try to clear the browser history and burp history once again. Now maybe something is wrong. I did not enter something properly, so let me clear the history here. Yes, now yes, I logged in now. The server should set the, since this is the login page and it is not setting the HTTP only guys, then it's a security issue. Now I'm gonna take the screenshot. You don't have to prove anything. You have to send a in order to take the screenshot, send it to repeater and with the correct username and password. I want to show the request and response side by side, so that's why I replayed in the repeater guys. Now request response, yes, this is the evidence. So in this line here, the HTTP only word should be set, but it was not there. It is not there, so that means it's a security issue. Now take this and say that the application is like cookie HTTP only not set. Now so that's a security issue. In order to prove it, first what should I do? Like, okay, let me show you another example website guys. This application, XVW application. Now we covered the topic guys. I'm just trying to show you some practical example to make it very clear. I'll try to clear this complete history and this particular site history. So now if I open for the first time this website, what it will do, it will set the cookie, right? That particular XVW. It is also not setting HTTP only. Then what happens if the application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting? Then he will try to execute the scripts like alert document.cookie script, right? I'm just showing pop-up for as itself. Attacker can steal in the backend too. Can you see, guys? It is printing the session ID because like the HTTP only is not set. If the HTTP only was set, then this will be completely blank. Nothing will be shown. That also I will show you guys now. I'll clear the browser history here now. Okay. Now I'll clear the history here. There is one more application which is setting the HTTP only, that is localhost dvwa. If I open this particular dvwa application, within the response, was it setting session ID? Can you see, guys? It was setting for like HTTP only word for the session ID. You will be something like this. So since it is set, this particular session ID value cannot be read if the application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. So that's it, guys. As I said, it will be blank. So yeah, so that is it about as what I'm trying to show you now. This DVW application is hosted on localhost only. XVW application is hosted on our localhost only, right? So now I'm trying to give you some more additional information. The HTTP only is set for which session ID, guys? PHP SSES ID, right? This application is also using the same session ID, PHP SESS ID. So now once the HTTP only is set for this particular application DVWA, that means it is set to all the applications which are hosted in this particular machine, because all the other applications like XVWA also using the same, right? For example, I'll show you now. I'll try to open XVWA. What happened? Yeah, if you see the XVWA application, it is using, if you go to the request tab, it is using PHP SSE ID. Now since the HTTP only is set for that particular site, that means it is also set for XVW also. Now if I execute script alert document.cookie, script alert document.cookie script, what happened? Okay, sorry, I just entered in another function somewhere in the SQL tab. I was thinking something else. Yeah, can you see, guys? Now it is blank because what happened, earlier it was executed and shown the session ID, but when we opened the other website, it was setting HTTP only to the cookie, which is commonly used for all the applications. So we were unable to read for this application also. This is too advanced, guys. Like, you don't have to remember all these things. We are just trying to play around. Whenever you enter the username and password, if you see on the in the set cookie tab, if you don't see anything like HTTP only here for this, that means it's a security issue. Everyone knows that it's a global concept. Report it as a medium level issue. The benefit is, even though if the application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting, if HTTP only is set, then external scripts cannot steal the cookies or session IDs. So the motto of the cross-site scripting, it's the highest priority is to steal the cookies. If they can't, then they will redirect the victims to some malicious websites. So we are at least protecting from stealing the cookies using HTTP only. So that's it, guys, this one.